the newest lighting solution for customers looking to efficiently upgrade their fluorescent luminaires to a high-performing LED system. This video will help guide you as you install the Cruze LED Retrofit Kit, but it should not be used in lieu of your instruction manual, which includes additional and important safety information. Please read all instructions carefully, review the contents of the packaging, and locate the tools recommended but not required to complete the install. Prior to installation, please confirm that all power is disconnected. The first step of the retrofit kit installation is to carefully remove the existing components of the fluorescent luminaire. Open and remove the door, baffle, or cover of the existing luminaire. Remove the fluorescent tubes, wire way cover, and belly pan if present. Disconnect the host ballast from the main supply and then remove the ballast if space is needed. The existing luminaire is now ready for the Cruze LED Retrofit Kit to be installed. Start the process by inserting the two end plates between the existing luminaire and T-grid. Be sure that both end plates have been inserted fully against the T-grid under the existing luminaire housing. Next, insert the edge of the main panel between the existing luminaire and the T-grid. Be sure that the two tabs at the ends of the main panel align with the slots on the previously installed end plates. Once the tabs have been inserted, gently lift the main panel into the existing luminaire and secure it to the end plates by turning each of the fasteners 90 degrees. Next, attach the ground wire from the main panel to the existing fixture housing. Then, connect the quick disconnect to the main supply wire. If your Cruze LED Retrofit Kit also includes sensor and/or emergency options, please refer to the installation instructions for additional steps needed to install those components. Next, install the edge of the side panel between the existing luminaire and the T-grid. Again, be sure that the two tabs at the ends of the side panel align with the slots on the previously installed end plates. Once the tabs have been inserted, gently lift the side panel into the existing luminaire and secure it to the end plates by turning each of the fasteners 90 degrees. Lastly, remove the protective LED cover and insert the lens under the tabs on one side of either panel. Once aligned, press the lens over the tabs on the opposite panel. It's time to turn the power back on and admire the architectural aesthetics while enjoying the long-lasting benefits of this high-performance LED luminaire.